Alright, so I took the handles off already. Pretty straightforward. 2 10s right here. And then they just pop out. Undo the clips, the rods on these 2 clips right here. You're gonna pop them out, slide these tabs out this way, and the rod will just pop out of these holes right here. And then you have a connector that goes somewhere in the door, so you're gonna take the door panel off and just pop it off. These little clips, it comes off. Anyways, binder side is done already. It works good, it looks good. I should have painted these, but I don't have like a can of black paint with me. So I'm gonna get them painted later. So now we're gonna do the driver's side. It's still broken right here. So you're gonna end up taking these 2 Phillips, and then same on the other side. And then this big ass nut will help you. I recommend doing one side at a time so you can have the other one to look at in case you get lost. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this one real quick. Alright, so once you got those little screws off here, these little tabs come off. They are labeled A and B, so they probably only go on one way. And then this big ass shit just pops up like that. And then the rod will just slide out. It only comes out one way. It should come out this way. And this is the broken piece off the old handle. Now we just have this part here. Here's the other piece of the broken handle. Now the new one's gonna go in like this. Let me see. It's gonna sit like that on this side of the tab. And then a new latch pulling thing coming from the back, and it's gonna rest like so. So these tabs go around it. So you got this section, and then this. Damn it, how was it again? Fuck. Oh yeah, like that. Alright, so this has to sit in there so the rod can go through it. but the latch has to go around these tabs, which is a pain in the ass. But I'll just do it real quick. Alright, so there you go. Just took some finessing. But you can see there's the top one, the one that goes underneath it, and then the rod will go just down the middle, and this will lay down like that. So now we just put the rod back in. It only goes in one way. And then it'll just come out. And the rod is in. Now we're gonna make sure the spring's back in before we put the shit together. I forgot how it goes. So it goes on the inside part, so it's like so it's gonna be like this. And sit like that. Put the Phillips back in here before you put the spring all the way in. Later we'll just finesse this. Once we got the little brackets in, the one mark with the egg goes towards this flat side. So, and another one on the other side. Now the spring, we just have to pop it on in this little groove right here. So we are going to just manhandle this. And then that should be it.